People, you know the settings are blessings. And Vybz Kartel has confirmed his second major concert in the Caribbean, this time in the Bahamas. Now, before we get into that, recently, Squash make a post. Look like he made it somewhere in Florida, but him tag it as a Kingston, Jamaica. A cryptic post, this is what people would have said. After that, after it confirmed, say, TikTok was having glitches. Him followed out, and this a popular TikToker. Maybe I couldn't say what I go and they will contain the reason. Look and listen. Now, people, the name of the new Vybz Kartel concert are going to be The Evolution. Vybz Kartel and Friends. As I was say, the one in the Bahamas. We don't know who are going to be. Some of the artists are going to be featured. But what is confirmed is that tickets are now available. And no speculation. Now the date is Saturday, March 29. Of course, at 2025. And in a Nassau, Bahamas. Clifford Park. And they must say gates are open from 7. Now this show say Vybz Kartel's concert, and we already hear this confirmation from people within the state. We already hear this from people who study economics. And they must say Vybz Kartel show on the 31st of December in Kingston, Jamaica, bringing a whole heap of money for the Jamaican island. It was definitely a major return and investment for Joe Bogdanovich and the Down Sound team, and everybody who invested or played a part in the show. Now, Nassau, Bahamas, which is also a place where, keep in mind, Nassau, Bahamas, I can't get the official figures, but it's definitely ranked high amongst tourist destinations in the Caribbean. They have one of the top hotels in the Caribbean too. I think them call it the Atlantis. Have you ever been there? Yo, one of the nicest hotels, may I tell you. But definitely rank high with tourists. So you can know that this show will definitely be attended, just like the one in Kingston, by people all across the world. Because it's a place where people from all across the world just visit. Just like Jamaica is a place where people just visit. So clearly, we feel like because the Jamaican government, the government now, even though Vybz Kartel put it out, so watch you know, even though him and Isaac Buchanan a friend, him not really a try for, you know what I mean, get himself involved in a politics. Him say him know him lane, or business and entertainment, and him a focus on business and entertainment. As of late, if you realize, we don't see Vybz Kartel make no more posts at all, not more about government and governance and politics and not more about that. He might leave that to who deal with that. And of course, you know, Isaac Buchanan and friend, and you know that. But clearly, for some reason, the government never endorsed it as much. The Minister of Tourism never endorsed it as much. But clearly what we see is that other Caribbean countries were taking note. Not note on the fact that the Jamaican government missed an opportunity, but taking note of the fact that this artist, the superstar, the celebrity, the support and the love we him get from him fans, well-wishers, people who support him, as something where we can use in our country. Make some money and, you know, bring a high level entertainer to the Caribbean island. See, the thing is, with the Jamaican government, is because Vybz Kartel was born and raised on the Jamaican island. For some reason, them not seem like how people from other countries seem. And the same thing with Bob Marley. Don't you see? The Jamaican government or the tourism board have this whole heap of t-shirt with Bob Marley face print up. Remember, if you I never say remember, because we never born to see it. We watch documentaries and hear about it. But if you watch the documentary, them say Rasta couldn't go up on certain plaza. Them time I never no big mall, you know. I never no big shopping mall. And I like them have no Coliseum. And I like them have no Macyville Mall. You do some plaza. And Rasta couldn't go up on the plaza them. So this high society and the government never does support Rasta and reggae music. It was always the inner city. That's why some people consider dancehall and reggae as the same genre of music, because it tore them forward from the inner city. But now, to the love and the appreciation when them show reggae, that's where they say, oh, you know, Bob Marley was loved and respected. After, and when them see the reaction that Bob Marley get from people all across the world, I saw the Jamaican government start to love reggae and start to show reggae that support them. Now, Vybz Kartel getting this love and this appreciation from overseas entities. It's good for dancehall music. Because even though other entertainers are not Vybz Kartel, they are part of the genre. Whether you listen to them, me listen to them, or, you know, just few local people listen to them. As long as they have a certain fan base, they are considered members of the dancehall genre. Then from the musical stream and people know them name, we don't consider them artists. We don't say them artists at their road. So I feel like now, you're going to see more support from society where music and entertainment is concerned. Because keep in mind, tourism, I want to think them say bring in the most money in the Jamaican country. I tell me say, when them say tourism, them feel like the people them flying in Jamaica just for go to the hotel go eat food. So them feel like say hotel and beach and nowhere else. And good food and nowhere else. Me that say the cuisine I want. The cuisine I want for true. But tell the truth, when we talk about authentic Jamaican cuisine, I'm not on the hotel the people and get it neither. And when them go out on the road, big up all our chef them in their hotel though. The trained chef them. When I mean we bring that vibe of the Jamaican atmosphere and the Jamaican cuisine to tourists when them forward in the hotel and the buffet them. Yeah, big them up. Big them up. Oxtail and everything there, they big them up. And it cook good. But differently from that, of course the entertainment and the people, the government still act like them know, say we know. Say the most valuable resource any country has are the people them. Keep in mind, if nobody on the island is a deserted island, is that a country? You don't recognize in the UN? The people are the most valuable resources what Jamaica have. And entertainment is from the people. The people are entertainers. But society only acknowledge entertainment when them can get something from it. Like when elections so far up, you hear Chronicler Virgin say, them come link him for dub plate. And then give them dumb plate. Them want dub plate when a time for entertain the people, man. Make it look like they are one with the people. I'm going to remember entertainment. That's why I know we see Bahamas. Link up Cartel and say Cartel. As soon as you're ready, you know what I mean? As soon as you feel like you are up for it, we would like you to do one of them big concert the way you're doing in your country over here. One of them big concert where big people fly in, whole heap of superstar there. Yeah, we want to do that. Bahamas forward. And we already have a long list of other Caribbean countries. The world tour, like it a forward. Like the Freedom Street World Tour. Like it a forward. Tell me what you think. Of course, if you're new to the channel, just a pass through. Click the subscribe icon and the bell icon. Put it on all. And I say I gonna know when new videos uploaded. Some people say, yo, you know you were talking about dancehall as of recent. We're gonna talk about more dancehall now. You know what I mean? Yeah, we're gonna definitely make some people hear what I go on. Because some people say, some people talk on me. But what they enough make the people know what really are going on. So until the reason again, drop a comment, like, comment, subscribe. As till the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are to live, love and prosper.